open studio happening today, and the public can just come in, have a look around, see what we're getting up to here.
Yeah, to kind of open up our process to the public is very exciting.
For me, that I'd really like to people to see my work and give me a feedback.
The reason it's important is for many artists, especially early career-wise, they're not all showing in galleries and they haven't got that sort of profile. So it's a really great opportunity for them to feel what it's like to have people come in and look at their work and ask questions, but also to be seen sort of like professionally in the art world.
It's opened my eyes to the different kind of materials, textiles, you know, what you can portray.
Is the dog an artist?
Yes, yeah.
What we've seen has been some very interesting, what looks like workshops, you know, where multi-generational groups are sitting around a table.
We've been running a collage workshop and everyone's been enjoying it, tell people about the sort of principles and history of collage along the way.
We're developing a short documentary, discussing storyboarding techniques and doing some drawing.
The concept was of 12 frames of drawings that we could color collectively and combine into like a group animation. So I think it's going to make a very chaotic, strange, but yeah, hopefully an enjoyable experience for people to take away.
We are storytellers, we're called East, and we celebrate the East End of London and all the cultures that there are. There's other people who came, apart from the sailors who came from Bangladesh.
It's pretty cool. I've got to meet like some nice people here today.
We're now trying to buy our buildings so that we have a permanent, affordable space for artists in East London forever.
I found that when I had a studio here, I could experiment a lot more and I could get a lot more physical actually with the work. I'm a painter, but what happened was that I started to kind of work with sculpture and I started to work with installation type works.
My projects developed from interviewing people, their answers, their feelings, what they express. I love having this space because all you do is just work. So I'm really, really grateful to be here.
I'm a quite happy and sunny person. Coming from Malaysia, you see, we love a lot of colors, you see. So I try to incorporate color into my painting.
You just need a space where you kind of need to let things ferment for a little bit until they really get going. So like just having a space where you wander around and you meet people and you see you just see the breadth of different work. It's quite exciting.
It's a really nice community. We're all on a WhatsApp group and we all kind of help each other, and it's nice to see what other people are doing as well.
What coming here has done is kind of opened up a whole world of a community. It's entirely changed my practice. You've got a gallery, daily gallery. I come in and there's a gallery and there's somebody working, and there's something quite inspirational about that.
I think that is really having a positive impact in my practice, because it's like it allows me to not only connect to people but also like to understand other creative processes.
Bow Arts has been growing quite a lot in the last few years, and we now have nearly 20 sites across London, and I think we've got close on 1,000 artists that we're supporting either through a very affordable workspace or live-work accommodation. It's now just about the largest artist studio provider in the country, in England, but we do much, much more than that. We were actually founded as a charity, but also East London's first social enterprise model. And what that means is we actually work with and for artists to integrate them into our local communities through our work with schools, through our work with local residents and other organisations. It's about artists being visible in their local communities, being able to afford to live and survive and pursue their creative dreams.
Today has been a really good chance for me to meet people, and everyone's incredible. It's a really good community, everyone's beautiful. All the work here is awesome, and like everyone's supporting each other and giving good critiques as well from time to time, you know? So yeah, for sure, I love it here.